trying to become healthy, hindi kailangan boring yung ating mga vegetables, kaya gagawa tayo ng 4 different kinds of salad dressings. Let's start cooking. Sometimes, napaka-challenging maging healthy, lalo na pag pinapakain sa'yo, puro salad, no? But salads can be so delicious, especially if they are fresh, and you add a mix of other textures. So, ito siya, basic salad mix natin from prime greens, pero we will make different kinds of salads. So, ito siya, no matter how simple your salad greens are, basta masarap yung dressing, pwede na. And I will start by making a very simple dressing. Ito siya, just lemon juice and mustard, no? I will combine lemon juice and mustard. I'm using Dijon mustard, nakita nyo. Ito siya, and I will add some minced red onions. Ito, very basic lang to. And you add your olive oil little by little, no? So, ang style mo dyan is really more olive oil than your other ingredients, no? So, 1 part acid, 1 part other ingredients, and 3 parts olive oil. So, bakit olive oil? Akala ko nagda-diet ka, bakit may oil? Usually, you use a healthy oil. That's why you use extra virgin olive oil, no? Salad dressing number 1. Yan. A very simple lemon vinaigrette. Now, let's make another one. Ito, not so healthy but super yummy. We're doing an Asian dressing. You can use tahini or peanut butter. Wala akong tahini, so peanut butter yung gagamitin ko. So, I'm making like an Asian dressing. So, I'm just blending my peanut butter with some soy sauce. Dissolve it in some vinegar. Suka. Dapat may acidity, no? Very important yung acidity ng ating dressing. Blend natin yan. Almost na siya. I will also add toasted sesame seeds. I will add grated ginger to give it that Asian flavor. Yan. Look at that, it's very thick, no? And I will add honey for some sweetness. Raw honey, walang honey. Sugar na lang, pwede healthy yung sugar, eh. And our sesame oil. Again, may oil yung ating dressing. It's very nice, no? Yan. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and Asian dressing. Yan! 2 down! Ito namang next dressing is like a Greek or Mediterranean dressing. And this is one of my favorites, especially if you serve it with grilled chicken. And ito na siya, maganda din siya. Not only is it good as a salad dressing, masarap din siya i-marinate sa inyong chicken. I have here garlic, grated, finely grated garlic, lemon juice, honey, honey my love, so sweet. So, you control the amount of honey or sweetness you want in this dressing. And I am using here Greek yogurt. Yan. Alam mo, a lot of yogurts, pag imported yung yogurt mo, wala siyang sweetness. Pero alam mo, pag local yung yogurt, medyo matamis. Ewan ko ba, pag Pilipinas, mahilig sa matamis. Add some chopped cilantro. This is optional, but very nice flavor. And again, salt. Always remember to salt. And freshly cracked black pepper. Oh. Very nice. Yan. And our last dressing. Ito siya. Medyo fruity siya because I'm using fruit jam and I'm using strawberry. So, pwede kang gumamit ng whatever. Raspberry, strawberry, blueberry, mango, diba? So, whatever. Pineapple. So, it really depends on you. So, what I do is I have my fruit jam. I combine a bit of mustard. So, ang mustard ko will help me emulsify, no? So, para hindi mag-separate yung oil sa aking other ingredients. Yan. Mix. Balsamic vinegar. It will also be nice here to add garlic, or if you want shallots or onions, you want to add herbs, no? Fresh basil or thyme or whatever. You can be creative. Yan. Season with salt. Remember to season with salt and pepper and our olive oil. So, we're using, again, extra virgin olive oil. Yan. You can use other neutral oils for your salad, but it won't be as healthy. So, you can use other neutral flavored oils, canola or whatever, Pero of course, it won't be as healthy, no? Kasi kaya ka nga na kumakain ng ganito because you want to become healthier. So, if it's not going to be good for you, don't use it anymore. Yan. Yan! Our fruity vinaigrette. Yan. And we're done. Imagine mo, 4 na dressing. So easy to make. I'm going to have a bowl of salad now. And which one should I choose? Anong pipiliin ko? Feeling ko, alam mo, ito yung gusto ko. Yogurt yung gusto ko. Not too much, no? Pag maglagay ka ng salad, huwag mong gawing sabaw. Ito, then toss, lightly dress, just to add a bit of flavor and to introduce the fat, the healthy fat into your vegetables para ma-absorb yung lahat ng good nutrients from your greens. And ready? Ito na lang kainin ko lagi. Very nice. Tikman din natin yung iba, Asian dressing. Ito sa gilid ng Asian dressing. Alam mo, just by changing your dressing, parang umikot ka na ng mundo, no? And so, ito nung salad dressing ko na Asian, lalagay ko ng sauteed shrimp, no? Pwede na. Sarap na. Then na may hard-boiled eggs, pwede na. Sarap yun. Yung ating Asian dressing, sweet, nutty, and a bit smoky dahil sa ating toasted sesame oil. Sarap niya, no? Ito naman, yung ating parang fruity vinaigrette, very thick, no? Ito siya, masarap siya with cheese, no? You have feta cheese or Parmesan cheese. Ito, medyo Italian yung feel nito, no? Sun-dried tomatoes, masarap dito. Very nice. Top din. Last but not the least, the very classic lemon vinaigrette lang. Ito with green olives and shaved Parmesan. O di, pasosyal ng pasosyal, no? Simple, straightforward. Very classic. Maganda pag gumagawa ka ng sarili mong dressing, you can control the sweetness, the flavors, and of course, make sure that you're adding everything that's healthy and good for you. Okay? Ito na siya, our 4 kinds of salad dressings. Simple! Please like and share my videos, and if you like more recipes like this, please click here to subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified. Simple!